Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. Imagine having a home theater experience that rivals the cinema, with colors so vivid and an image so sharp it feels like you're right there in the action. That's exactly what this XGIMI Horizon 24K RGB triple laser home projector promises to deliver, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the X-Master RGB triple laser engine, which is the heart of this projector. With 3200 ISO lumens and a 100:000:1 contrast ratio, this thing is capable of producing some truly stunning visuals. The RGB triple laser technology ensures that colors are accurate and vivid, with a level of depth and dimensionality that's just incredible. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or just browsing through some photos, the image quality is going to blow you away. And the best part is, it's not just limited to daytime viewing. The high lumens rating means you can enjoy an immersive viewing experience anytime, even in a well-lit room. But what really sets this XGIMI Horizon 20 apart is its cinematic certified features. With IMAX Enhanced, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Filmmaker Mode all on board, you're getting a truly authentic cinematic experience in the comfort of your own home. These technologies work together to deliver stunning visuals and true-to-intent playback, so you can enjoy your favorite movies and shows just the way the filmmakers intended. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. The level of detail and color accuracy is just incredible, and it really draws you into the action. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but isn't setting up a home projector a hassle? Well, this XGIMI Horizon 20 is designed to be an all-in-one solution, with everything you need already built in. From the powerful Harman Kardon speakers to the built-in Google TV and integrated stand, you don't need to worry about extra setup or compromises. Just plug it in, turn it on, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. And with Google TV on board, you've got access to all your favorite streaming services and apps, so you can enjoy a wide range of content without ever leaving the couch. Another feature that really impressed me is the lossless optics, which includes flexible lens shift and optical zoom. This gives you a lot of freedom in terms of setup, so you can position the projector wherever you want and still get a crystal clear image. And with the optical zoom, you can adjust the image size to fit your screen or wall without sacrificing any clarity or detail. It's really convenient, and it means you can enjoy a big screen experience without having to worry about the logistics of setup. Finally, let's talk about gaming, because this XGIMI Horizon 20 has some seriously impressive pro-level gaming features. With a 1 millisecond response time and 240 Hz fluidity, you get seamless and ultra-low latency gameplay that's just incredible.